We type a number, we hit a plastic button, we hear a click, and we wait for an answer. It is a routine act of outsourcing our arithmetic to a small handheld tool. Numbers exist as abstract concepts. You cannot physically hold the value 7 in your hand, yet we rely on a box of plastic and silicon to process these abstractions and return a tangible result. Historically, we solved this by making physical matter remember quantity. By moving wooden beads on a rod, humans stored numerical values through structured physical movement. The calculator serves as an external bridge, designed to translate human intention into a system of perfectly constrained physical motion. The physical pressure of your finger closes a circuit, converting your intention into a specific electrical voltage state that enters the hardware. That voltage hits the foundational component of the circuit, the transistor. This is a microscopic physical gate. It controls the flow of electrons, either conducting current or blocking it entirely. These switches operate in two reliable states. To accommodate this physical reality, the machine converts your base 10 numbers into a binary pattern of ones and zeros. By combining these transistors into logic gates, the machine routes electrical signals according to rigid true or false rules. Within the chip, every calculation functions as a synchronized city of microscopic electron bouncers, blindly enforcing physical permissions. Binary addition works through organized overflow, triggering a carry signal that ripples left. Subtraction utilizes this same hardware, flipping incoming binary digits to process a takeaway command. Multiplication shifts this entire pattern left, filling the new space with a 0. Through this disciplined choreography of shifts and carries, the hardware resolves even the most complex functions into a series of simple, repetitive transformations. A crisis occurs when we input a simple decimal like 0.1. This creates a base mismatch between human decimal systems and machine binary logic. Because 0.1 cannot be halved cleanly into powers of 2, the binary system creates an infinite repeating fraction. But silicon chips have finite storage. When the memory reaches its limit, it abruptly severs the endless tail, locking in an approximation. Irregular decimal outputs are compression scars, the physical evidence of an infinite fraction forced into a finite silicon box. Pressing the equals button acts as the final judge, collapsing all pending electronic motion into a stable final state. This electrical state triggers display drivers to light up tubes. The hidden binary patterns return to our world as visible symbols. These numbers immediately dictate real-world motion, guiding everything from medication dosages to the precise trajectories of rockets. The calculator democratizes arithmetic speed, handling the burden of structured motion, while leaving the final interpretation and judgment to the person holding the device.